Sixth grade, happy Thursday. You ready for your big history test? The nice thing with the history test is last test we were jumping all over the place from all the lessons. These lessons go in order, guys. So you could go right through lesson one, right through lesson two, cruise into lesson three. You got some extra credit, and then you got your essay question. Okay, for lesson one and two, it's just short answer, guys. You do not need to write in complete sentences, but make sure you read those things carefully and you're looking at the numbers. So there are two mountain ranges. Make sure you get them both down. Three rivers. Make sure you write three of them down. You got the little things that talk about the monsoons. There's a map in your book, guys, that have that. You're just supposed to draw those, but then also describe what kind of weather each monsoon brings. So I'm going to draw a little India. I'm going to put on there, here's my winter monsoons, and it brings, cold and dry. Here's my summer monsoons, and it brings wet and hot kind of thing. Okay, put these 5 words in order. If you remember, your teacher told you to write that on a cheat sheet of paper as you cruise through that. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. Lesson 2, we spent a ton of time on Buddhism and Hinduism. You want at least 3 points in each part, it says. So give me 3 things that are Hindu, give me 3 things that are Buddha. You could write down names of gods, you could write down rulers, you could write down which one's bigger, which one came first and second. Then you got to try to find 3 things that they both have in common. There's a number that you could put down for most of those. You're after 3. Okay, so guys, this number 1 is obviously from the whole lesson, and then it starts over with number 1, and it kind of goes in order from the lesson through the book of lesson 1. Lesson 3, you got true false. Remember, with true false, if you think it's a trick question or write down your little meaning behind it, go for it. Couple extra credit. Then your essay says, what do you think is better for society? So if you lived in a country that said, we're going to pick a religion that you have to follow, would you want to live in a country that has Hinduism and their caste system, or would you want to live in a country that has Buddhism and their beliefs? So it's not which religion do you want to be, it's which religion would you want to live under if you had to live under it. Don't say, I don't want to live under neither of them because it's a false religion and I believe in Jesus. I understand that, guys. But what I'm asking is, can you apply this religion into life to help us understand what's happening with it? Okay? So make sure you write enough of that to get your credit with that one. Okay, you made it through the video. Write down there, I love history tests for your extra credit on the top. Have a great day and good luck.